This brand is so common in the black community, we just call him by the guy's name. We don't even call him hot lake. You say Earl Campbell's, we know what's up. But I wanted to do something different. I feel like experimenting. What I'm gonna do, and I've already done it with this one, just cut a little slit down the middle, stuff it with a slice of cheddar cheese, wrap it with a half a slice of bacon, just to make sure everything stays together. Put a little toothpick in it like that. And I'm gonna smoke these boys. You know, now that I'm out here at the grills, I remember that the last thing I did, which was no more than about a week ago, was some thighs, and I smoked those. I try to avoid something I call smoke fatigue. That's when you smoke so often that your family gets tired of the taste of smoke, and in their mind they're thinking everything tastes alike. It's really the smoke that's making everything taste alike. So you can get a lot more flavors and different profiles and stuff like that when you're grilling versus smoking, in my opinion. And links are something that you really can't put a whole lot of seasoning on. So instead of smoking these, I'm just gonna grill them in direct, and hopefully all of my cheese won't melt out. But we'll keep it around 275, 300, but we won't put smoke on it. What comes now? The big presentation, the big finish, toasted bun, open face with the Earl Campbell in the middle, grilled veggies all on top, mustard. Yeah, ain't none of that about to happen. Not in this video, baby. I told y'all, I'm tired. I've been working all day. They're done. I'm getting them in the shower, man. But this was a success. I like it. This is gonna be good after my shower. Just right on the grill, y'all. Peace.